Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and it's week 4 of probability. I'm really excited to continue on this journey with you. It's hard to believe we're just starting week 4. By the end of this week, we'll be halfway through. This week is a very typical week, except for the fact that we have a midterm due as well, so you have an extra problem set. I've been working on your homework and your discussion boards, and I really appreciate the work you put in there. Some of you have spent a lot of time on your weekly problems. You've done a good job showing your work, and it's easy for me to follow your steps, and I appreciate how you box your answers. Some of you even type them, and I'm really impressed by that because when I was a student, I don't know how I could ever got that done. But it makes things look really nice, and it's easy to read and easy to follow. So I appreciate your hard work in that area. But again, it's not required to type, but I did want to point out that it really makes things easy and nice and easy to look at. This week, we're going to work on continuous random variables and distribution. So it's more of the same. We've been studying distributions the last few weeks, and we'll continue into this week. So overall this week, you'll have your discussion boards. Remember, your initial posts are due by Wednesday. Follow-ups are due by Sunday. I recommend that you log in Tuesday to make your initial posts. And Wednesday, you look at what's been posted about your post. Thursday and Friday, you look at your follow-ups and post some more. And then Sunday, you just kind of use it as a wrap-up to make sure you've answered all the questions and that you've done your posts. Some of you do the bare minimum of 6. Some of you do a lot more. And I really appreciate the work that you do there because it really adds to the course. Your weekly problem set, again, that's due on Sunday as well as your midterm. If you have questions, please reach out, and I'll provide clarity and explanation as much as I can. I try to provide that on your weekly problems through the grading and the comments. Hopefully you like that. Hopefully it's working for you. Again, if you have questions, please reach out. I'll be more happy to work with you. Again, this is Ryan, and it's week 4. I'll talk to you later.